Hey, yo, Mikey, do you think the 2021 FX with Nano XL2 hull can withstand the punishment of P1 Aqua X, or is that more solid second hull for the okay? Mikey, I think you asked me this before, and I addressed it before, but I'll do it again. There were plenty of guys who were racing with the Nano 2 hull. All right. There were plenty of guys. The problem is that they're running their crap up the beach, running their crap up the bunks, and they were just beating the snot out of it. Second of all, racers live and die by their hulls. So they were studiously going through and watching for cracks, watching for fissures, paying attention to the health of their ski. Believe it or not, racers, you know what? I can't say that. Maybe I should. I'm a firm believer that most racers look more closely at their skis than consumers do, because they're making money off, trying to make a living or trying to make some money out of their racing. So if there's cracks all up and down their hull, they're like, dude, I got to fix this, and I got to fix it fast. All right. So, I think you could go out and I think you could be successful. You just need to watch it like a hawk. If you are in the position where you can choose, I would go FMC fiberglass. Problem is, the FMC fiberglass FX is slower than the Nano, because you're talking about, I think it's like 54 pounds or 52 pounds difference. So you have more weight. More weight means more drag, but more drag in this instance also means firmer riding hull. Look at Tori Snyder. Tori Snyder is kicking ass on an FX. Look at Dustin Farthing. He's not on a Nano hull. Dustin is leading the series on an SMC hull. And thus far, to my understanding, has not delaminated or fractured a hull. So take that for what it's worth. Learn from other people's experience. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.